In the past, to beat the market, you needed a PhD and a supercomputer. In 2026, all you need is the right prompt. Hassan is overwhelmed by the noise of the market, but what if he could see the signal? Meet your new co-pilot. Move 1, sentiment analysis. AI doesn't just read numbers, it reads emotions. It scans the entire internet to tell you if the world is fearful or greedy before the news even hits the TV. Move 2, predictive modeling. Humans see events. AI sees connections. It identifies alternative data, like satellite images of parking lots or shipping lanes, to predict company earnings with 85% accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball made of math. Move 3, automated rebalancing. In 2026, set it and forget it is dead. AI-powered portfolios rebalance themselves in real time, protecting your gains during a crash and buying the dip automatically while you sleep. But beware, AI is a tool, not a god. It can hallucinate or overfit data. The secret in 2026 isn't to let AI run your life. It's to use AI to augment your judgment. You provide the goals, the AI provides the speed. Ready to upgrade your portfolio? Check the description for our list of the best AI investing platforms. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth for the future of finance.